The first part of the question is, should I add to my 401k? And that is based upon your personal situation. So if you really find yourself in a tight cash flow situation, it may make sense to lower or discontinue the 401k savings simply for the purpose of creating the cash that you need. That prevents you from having to withdraw from the 401k as your cash reserve. So assuming that that's not the case and looking at the question through the lens of, is it a good place to invest considering all the moving parts of the world? The answer is yes, because you're getting an instant return on your tax return, on tax savings. Depending on your total income, any dollar that you put into your 401k is going to save you money on your taxes. And this year certainly has had a lot of change in the tax code and timing, and I know you had a separate webinar on that. As it relates to the types of investments, specifically international, we actually believe that international is one of the areas that represent opportunity. And if you look at, I don't have the chart today, but there's certain divergence between different types of investing. One is the divergence between international and domestic investing. Another is the divergence between what's called growth investing, companies that appreciate quickly, versus value investing, companies with strong balance sheets that produce dividends. And there's clearly a lot of attractiveness in the international market. If you look at the international markets relative to the domestic markets now, they're lower. And that doesn't mean that you should eliminate that from your portfolio. In fact, it may indicate an opportunity. But once again, your investing should be driven by your overall risk allocation, the diversification into various different asset classes. But I would not be inclined to eliminate international from that mix.